In this video, you'll learn how to log in to Udemy with a password in just a few minutes, so you can access your courses and continue learning new skills without any hassle. First, open your browser and go to udemy.com. On the homepage, click the Login button in the top right corner. This will open the login page where you can sign in to your Udemy account. Next, enter the email address linked to your Udemy account. Make sure to use the exact email you signed up with, since Udemy will use this to verify your identity and connect you to your courses. Now, type your password in the password field. If you're unsure about your password, click Forgot Password, and Udemy will send you a reset link to your email. Use this link to create a new password. After that, click the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your Udemy dashboard, where all your enrolled courses, progress, and learning history are organized. Once logged in, you can browse new courses, continue learning, or access your account settings. If you have trouble logging in, double-check your email and password, or use the password recovery option to regain access. And that's it. You now know how to log into Udemy with your password and continue your learning journey.